What's up, guys? This is part 7, it's Sunday, about 2 o'clock. Cold outside, I can see my breath. Basically, I've made some major progress with this thing, which when it hits 57, will come on. It's like a relay, and I've got this, sorry if I'm talking too loud, that's a fan out of an Xbox One, so it's 0.8 amps, so it uses about 10 watts. That's going to bring the temperature down nicely. There you go, to 54 point whatever 5. There's actually 2 fans. I don't know if you can see. It's pretty hard with the light and the tinfoil. There's a fan in there which is bolted on. So again, the plan is to allow the LED strip to get quite hot and then use the heat to heat the cabinet. That's what it's saying at the moment, and it was 14.7, so it is actually working. What I'll do is I'll just wait a minute for the little relay thing to kick in again. I'll probably set the temperature lower. One thing about having that now is that realistically allows me to get rid of this timer, because that was running the fan. So now basically the 12 volts from a power supply go into that thing, and then it switches on when you tell it to, which is very soon. Stay with that till it does its thing. Then, because there's quite a lot of air going onto it, it does drop down below the 55, but then it'll just start going up again. So that's good. So I'm going to buy a couple more of them, and then that's it for now. Bye.